The little exposure I had in terms of the people who have deployed the people with the special abilities is that they are very focused, they are very productive, and they are very loyal.
So this is stage one for the retail sector, where some of our candidates, some of the persons with disability are working, and we can expect more number of people to be hired in this sector in future. And it's a business model for the corporates. It's not a charity or a mercy. So it's I think people who is hired have already shared their experiences, and people who wants to hire can learn from those experiences. So I think maybe in stage 2 we can see more good results for these candidates.
The road ahead for us. We actually said that all our store managers should go through a ISL training, sign language training, including us. I also want to do that. At some stage we will have trainers come in and trainers. We have not done that yet. Our stores should become more disabled friendly. And as we said, we have only just started, but we hope to make a difference in the near future. And we are really committed and we're very excited, and the experience of the last 3-4 months tells us that we are on the right track, and I think we will make a big difference.
The PW thing is a part of the KRAs that each of our employees have. Okay, so that is what we have initiated. Earlier it was somewhere in Chroma, something which was unspoken. Okay, it was self-driven, but now we have got it forced somewhere, because we feel that for getting something into habit, it has to be first made a practice.
बहुत सी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं उनको, इतने नंबर्स में पीडब्ल्यूडी कैंडिडेट्स हैं और बहुत ही टैलेंटेड है। बिकॉज जब पहली बार मैं इंटरव्यू लेने के लिए गया था कैंडिडेट का, तो फर्स्ट मेरा इंटरेक्शन था, उससे मुझे बहुत एक कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि नहीं, इनके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा टैलेंट है। जस्ट दे नीड वन अपॉर्चुनिटी कि वो अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कर सके, वो मौका उनको मिल पाए।
Over a period of time, we have realized that these people are not disabled. Probably they are specially abled with what we do not have. Hansraj is one person who had shared his experience during last retail meet which we had in Goa in the month of March 2012. So all the people from the front end of Blackberries, they had seen him across the regions. If he's able to do such tremendous job at this store, why can't we?
मेरा नाम रेशमा है और मैं सार्थक के द्वारा फ्यूचर ग्रुप में आई हूँ, और मुझे क्या कहते हैं, यहाँ से भी अवार्ड मिला है और फ्यूचर ग्रुप से भी अवार्ड मिला है बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय का। पहले मैं टीचिंग करती थी और अब मैं कस्टमर अटेंड करती हूँ।
ललित शर्मा, क्रोमा पीवीआर स्टोर में CSD डिपार्टमेंट में हूँ। इससे पहले मैं इस में काम करता था। क्रोमा में काम करने में मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है। 6-7 महीने हो गए हैं वहाँ पे काम करते हुए।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम हंसराज है। मैंने मार्च 27 मार्च को 2011 में ज्वाइन किया था। वहाँ मुझे लगा कि ये काम मैं पसंद नहीं कर पाऊँगा। अच्छा, ठीक से लगाने की, उसमें कुछ काम सेट करके लगाने का काम था। कपड़ों को वो ऐसे आड़े से रखे होते थे, उसको ठीक करके मैं रखता था। सब जगह पे मेरा काम यही था। कोई भी आता था तो मैं बताता था कि मैं सुन नहीं सकता, तो जो बोलने वाले लोग थे उन्हें बताते थे। उनको पैक करना, कपड़ों को अगर पैक नहीं है तो उसको उठा के कहीं और रखना मेरा काम होता था। उनको सबको ठीक से रखना, सारा काम मैंने मेहनत से किया। मुझे 2 साल हो गए ब्लैकबेरी कंपनी में। गोवा भी मैं गया हूँ।
तो इनको मैंने देखा तो मैंने कहा इट्स वेरी टफ कि इनके लिए कैसे हो, बट इनकी इतने इंटेलिजेंट हैं ये बाकी भी जो लड़के करोल बाग में काम करते हैं वो, कि अगर वो बोल नहीं सकते, सुन नहीं सकते, बट इतने इंटेलिजेंट थे कि मैं हर चीज़ इन्होंने ग्रैब की। कि अगर हमारे पास 3 कलेक्शन है तो इनको पता होता था कि एनएल कहाँ पड़ा है, पार्टी वेयर कहाँ पड़ा है, फ्रेम एंड प्रॉपर फॉर्मल कहाँ रखा हुआ है। मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट। और कस्टमर आज इनको आके बोलते हैं कि सर वो शर्ट दिखा दीजिए, मैं उस दिन देख रहा था, तो ये फट से लेके आते हैं अंदर से कि आपके ऑल्ट्रेशन है अंदर, वो लेके आते हैं। तो बहुत अच्छा काम किया उन्होंने।
So now we want to create an institute for training so that they can be brought up to our level. So for that we'll have training. We need trainers from the corporate. We need their on-the-job training. We need internships that can be given to the candidates. We need some training content from you, your input. So I will, from my own space, from Sarthak space, request you to share such content with us. and share those experiences with us and give us an opportunity to send candidates from our organization to your place for the on-the-job training and for internships. Don't pay them anything, just give them a certificate that they've done an on-the-job training with you.
As an HR, what actually we are supposed to do is again to identify that what and where. Okay. So what are their interest area? What location will they be comfortable going to? Obviously, I can't ask somebody staying at extremes of Ghaziabad to come and work in Gurgaon. That is something which is not possible for any of the normal person. How are you looking at the career progression of these people?
Depending on how they perform, and so it will be equal opportunity for them. The only, I think, positive action from our side is to give them an opportunity to join us. The rest is all up to them.
Maybe the challenge is now the girls are hearing impaired,
Yeah.
so they are unable to speak, unable to say. I think this challenge is there in the hospitality sector. In Lemon Tree and others also they have a similar challenge.
What all jobs they could do. I've done job mapping depending upon the physical abilities required for each job, and then segregated tasks and developed different modules for them.
This is a movement which is basically like we are taking a few baby steps.